Din hija l-pondara numru 468 fis-sensiela ta' mużika motiħor fl-imkien miegħi Tony Sant. Fil-poddata tal-lum se nisimgħu mingħand Gabby Bonello, Matteo Makes Music fl-imkien ma' Naomi Ray, James Piteri u Spine Splitter Studio. Nibdew l-lum b'din mingħand Manuel T. Freedom Stamper, l-ewwel vinyl release minn Dubkey Records wara diversi snin ta' digital releases hemmhekk minn Manuel T. jew Manuel Taboni kif nafu wkoll. Is-silta li tiftaħ il-poddata tagħna llum fis-sensiela ta' mużika motiħor fl-imkien miegħi Tony Sant. Numru 468 f'din is-sensiela ssibu id-dettalji u dak kollu li għandu x'jaqsam ma' din il-poddata bħal dejjem permezz tal-website personali tiegħi li sibuha fuq tonysant.com. Hemmhekk issibu wkoll allura il-videos separati għal kull silta li għanna fil-poddata tal-lum, jew inkella jekk tippreferu ssibu il-poddata sħiħa hemmhekk issibuha u kol, sintendi. Naddu għat-tini silta din id-darba samorru l-Australia. Kantanta li dinija l-ewwel darba li qegħdin nisimgħu biha jisimha Gabby Bonello li kemm ħarġet CD EP li jismu Coming Home, minnu se nisimgħu One Day at a Time.
That there was something more I could do to take the pain away, the pain that's hurting you, the that's hurting you. I wish that there was something more I could say to make you smile again and wipe all those tears away. Wipe all those tears away. Just one day at a time, minute by minute, on this long uncertain road ahead. Take one step at a time, hour by hour, on this long uncertain road ahead. Remember what my father said, one day at a time. I wish that there was something more I could do to write you a happy ending, so he'd still be here with you. He'd still be here with you. Just one day at a time, minute by minute, on this long uncertain road ahead. Take one step at a time, hour by hour, on this long uncertain road ahead. Just remember what my father said, one day at a time. To have loved is oh so special, to have been there by his side, to say what needed to be said, to kiss and say goodbye. His love will never die. His love will never die. Just one day at a time, his love will never die. Take one step at a time, his love will never die. Just one day at a time, his love will never die.
One Day at a Time mek minant Gabi Bonello b'dedika l-missiera miss-CD taħħa Coming Home li jasalanna minn Sydney. U biex inkomplu għaddejjin bil-materjal li għandi mħejja li kom illum, qabel xejn fakkarkom li permezz ta' dik il-website tonisan.com tistgħu tagħmlu kuntatt miegħi wkoll, nu biex nisma' minn għandkom anke jekk tikkuntattjawni permezz tal-Facebook, Twitter, jew kellha l-YouTube minn fej fil-verità toħroġ il-poddata bħala video kull ġimgħa wkoll. Is-sidna li jmiss issa ġejja minant Matteo De Pares il qed jirrekordja bħala Matteo Makes Music, hawnhekk akkumpanjat bil-vuċi ta' Naomi Ray. Silta tagħhom jisimha Freakiest Lullaby.
Makes me feel so weak. I still got memories of the nightmares and the tears. Bamboozle me and reignite my fears. Sing the freakiest lullaby that keeps me awake, won't let me sleep at night. It's the freakiest lullaby that makes me go, oh hey, hey, somebody turn on the lights now. Oh hey, somebody turn on the lights. I've got a phobia of all the things that look like you. Yet you pull me towards you, keep me with you glued. Can't bear to look at your face, it makes me shiver inside. No bedtime story makes me feel tired. I've still got memories of the nightmares and the tears. Bamboozle me and reignite my fears. Sing the freakiest lullaby that keeps me awake, won't let me sleep at night. It's the freakiest lullaby that makes me go, oh hey, somebody turn on the lights now. Oh, turn on the lights. Oh hey, oh hey. You sing the freakiest lullaby that keeps me awake, let me sleep at night. It's the freakiest lullaby that makes me go, oh hey, hey, somebody turn on the lights now. Oh hey, hey, somebody turn on the lights. Oh hey, hey, somebody turn on the lights now.
Freakiest Lullaby hemmhekk bil-vuċi ta' Naomi Ray minant Matteo Makes Music. U din iddaħħalna fl-atmosfera tal-Halloween minix xi fan jew xi segwaċi tal-Halloween normalment, imma għaliex le din is-sena il-siltiet illi għandi mħejjin għalikom issa probabbilment naħseb li intom torbtuhom forsi inqas jew aktar minni ma' dan illi għaddej. L-ewwel waħda hija minn James Piteri li normalment nafu wkoll bħala l-bass player tal-grupp Insurgents, minn għandu se nisimgħu Shadowscape. Shadowscape hemmhekk mela minant James Spiteri. U għamel naddu għall-aħħar silta li għandim ħejja li kom l-lum, xtaqt li nfakarkom ukoll fil-rabta li għanna mal Malta Music Memory Project, kif nadna nsibuħ fuq m3p.com.mt. Hemmhekk qegħdin nipprovaw nżommu il-memori ta' kollu li għaddej bħalissa biex meta jgħaddi żmien u dak li huwa llum jiġi l-passat, allura nkunu tal-anqas fil-futur nistgħu forsi għadna nistgħu niftakru xi ħaġa. L-ħarżil tal-li għandim ħejja li kom l-lum hija minant David De Pasquale u pjuttost minant Spine Splitter Studio. Din jisimha Brute. Qabel Brute ta' Spine Splitter Studio aħna ġejna f'dmiem tal-poddar tal-lum ukoll fis-sensiela ta' mużika mogħti oħor fl-imkien miegħi Tony Sant. Infakarkom ħal dejjem qabel nħallikom lid-dettalji u l-kuntatt huma permezz ta' tonysant.com u sakemm nerġgħu niltaqgħu darb'oħra. Jiena minn qalbi nawguralkom is-saħħa.